Congratulations, you've just been named the executor. People are counting on you to get this right. No pressure, right? You're probably feeling overwhelmed. What do I do first? What am I responsible for? I'm here to help. My name is Mark Velasco, and I help families navigate the probate real estate throughout Los Angeles County. This video will walk you through the first steps to take as an executor. At a high level, your job is to manage the estate. That means handling the assets, paying debts, and eventually distributing what is left. You don't need to know everything, but you do need to act responsibly and in the best interest of the estate. Here are the 5 things you need to do. Number 1, you must secure the property. You must lock it. You must make sure it's insured, and you must do everything you can to protect it. Number 2, finding key documents. You must find the will or trust. You must find all deeds, bank accounts, and financial records, and anything else that pertains to this estate. Number 3, order at least 10 to 15 certified death certificates. You'll need multiple copies for many different reasons. Number 4, talk to a probate attorney. This is one of the key details in making sure deadlines are met. Most cases in Los Angeles County require court involvement. Number 5, do not distribute anything yet. These are not your funds, and this is not yet your property. You must wait until you have full legal authority. Are you allowed to sell the property right away? No. In most cases, you need court approval first. To save you time and energy, you can start preparing. Clean out the property, secure it, and understand its value. Number 2, giving out money too soon. These are not yet your funds, and there could be legal consequences to doing so. Number 3, waiting too long to take action. Time is the number 1 enemy, and there are legal deadlines to be met. If you're an executor, download my free probate checklist down below. Subscribe down below for more weekly videos that will help you navigate the probate process with confidence. Please hit the like button if this information has been helpful to you and your family. Thank you.